Welcome to your DroneDeploy dashboard. From here, you can create, view, and manage all of your DroneDeploy projects. Whether that's a new construction site, inspecting a farm, monitoring a mine, or whatever project you're looking to accomplish. You can also install apps from our app marketplace that will allow you to install advanced flight planning applications, operational management tools, or industry-specific integrations. You can also manage your settings and have access to support whenever you need it. To begin, let's create a new project. Each new project can be created anywhere in the world and has a defined location. I can search by name, zip code, or specific coordinates. For now, I'll create a project right here. I'll give it a name. And once you've created a project, you can manage your entire workflow. You can create new and reusable flight templates. Here, you can upload maps, images, or GCPs. And once your maps have processed, you can explore and analyze them, and generate reports, like annotation and progress reports. In the next video, you'll discover how to create and fly your first flight template.